Alright, thank you for tuning in to another tutorial for the Black Ops Trading Room. What you're looking at is what is called the Quick Sheet. It's located in the Quick Sheet tab. Okay, when you get your spreadsheet, you will notice that we have multiple tabs. You have your Quick Sheet tab here, Complete tab, and you will have your ETFs and your My Hit List and your usual manual and your options page. Okay, those are the tabs you're going to see. The Quick Sheet is very quick, short, and simple and sweet. Alright, this video will probably lasts about maybe a minute or two. Basically, as you can see, columns C through G are highlighted here in green. Alright, this is your buy signals. Alright, that's your long system. Okay, long only system. Columns J through N, okay, is your short. You're selling short system. It's very simple. Alright, let's go over the columns real quick. First one here is your pulse wave buy trigger. This is the price at which you will enter the market long. Column D is your pulse wave buy signal. If there's a 1 there, then that means you go long at the pulse wave buy trigger price. Column E is your confirmed pulse wave breakout price triggers at which you enter the market long. Column F is your confirmed pulse wave breakout buy signals. If there's a 1 there, you go long at columns E's price. The order is as follows. You look at column F first, look for confirmed pulse wave buy signals first, and if your favorite security doesn't have one, then you move over to the pulse wave buy signals. Alright, and if you don't have one here, you may have a signal here. Okay, column G is your initial and trailing stop and reverse, where you're going to put your stops. Alright, each day this number will change, letting you know where to move your stop to. You can also, if you get a significant run, once you put the trade on, you can move your stop to break even and trail it that way as well. Even trail the position tighter, locking in profit as you go along. And in the trading room each day, we do call those out. I call those out to you, letting you know where you can possibly move your stops and take profit and things like that. So you're not left on your own. But the sheet is a great tool and a great guide. Alright, column H is bullish trend reading. If there's a 1 there, you have a bullish reading in that particular market. If it's a 0, then it's not. Alright, moving over to the selling short system. Column I is where that starts. This is your bear trend reading. If there's a 1 in the column, obviously the market is bearish. Column J is your stop and reverse. Column K is your negative confirmed pulse wave breakout sell signal. A 1 means you have a sell signal. If you have a sell signal, you go over to column L, and this is your sell short price trigger. This is where you enter the market at. Okay, this is where you go short the market. Alright, column M is your pulse wave sell signal. If there's a 1 there, you have a sell signal. Column N is your pulse wave sell trigger. This is the price at which you're going to sell short the market. As you can see, the Quick Sheet is very short, simple, and sweet, and for the most part, idiot proof. Okay, so there should be no more confusion, no more issues as far as too much information on the sheet. It's either you're buying or you're selling each and every day, so there's no confusion. Okay, securities right here are listed on the left. Column A is the ticker symbol. Column B is the name of the security. Okay, so it's just that simple. On the sheet, I've highlighted the ones that I trade every day. These are the securities that I'm in and out of every day. Like the euro, I trade the spot Forex, and I also trade the futures. All right, so this is it for both. This is the signal for both. Likewise with the Canadian dollar, I trade the Forex spot mostly on that one, but you can do futures too on that. Next one down here is the US dollar index futures, which I also trade And the next one below that is your crude oil futures, the mini Dow futures, the E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures, the E-mini S&P 500 futures, the silver futures, and the gold futures. We're running out of time on the gold and silver spot, but this is it for both. This is both gold and silver spot. Won't be able to trade spot after tomorrow, but you can trade the futures, and there is a mini contract for the gold and silver futures. Okay, so these two indicators, these two lines right here, are good for the spot and the futures, big contract and the mini contracts. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This is the sheet. This is the quick sheet. All you got to do is scroll down, find the ones that you like to trade or whatever. If there's a signal, go ahead and go long it, or go short. Like for instance, just picking one random here, the QQQ ETF. We have a buy signal coming in today at 55.63. You can put your stop at 55.10. All right. We also have a pulse wave at 58.37. All right. The way I would approach it is, remember, the signals are good. These are what we call weekly signals, which means you can place these tickets as open orders, good till canceled orders, which means that the signals are good until they are filled in the market or until you get a new signal. So even if it takes 2 weeks, you keep these tickets open until you get a new signal. And the system is designed to give you signals, so it will update. It updates each and every day. Okay. Likewise on the sell short, same thing. These are weekly signals, which means you can place these tickets on Sunday night when you get your sheet, or Monday morning, and let your tickets run all week until they're filled or until you get a new entry price. Okay. It's just that simple. There's nothing else to it. All the guesswork has been taken out of it. I've programmed all the algorithms that you need to get you into the market at the right times. Okay, and here you have it. So everything else, as far as intraday guidance when the markets are open, that's what you come to the trading room for, because I will constantly call out trades throughout the day and markets and update with analysis and everything that you need to have, so that you can be on the right side of the market as much as possible and as often as possible, and so that you could at least be in a position to make money each and every day, even if it's small amounts. Okay, and the system is designed to always have orders working in the market every day, so that you can catch amazing breakouts and the beginnings of trends. All right, because it is a trend following system with mechanisms built into it and algorithms built into it to also manipulate price on an intraday basis. And this comes out to you 24 hours in advance. It projects what's going to be what and where you can get in the market. Okay, so there you have it. All right, be encouraged, and remember, take what you can and give nothing back.